Now I need one button, three buttons, sorry, one button, three buttons I need. One for add, delete, update. So we need three buttons. Right, we arrange successfully. Now what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to design this one, run name mobile course. Let me remove all the default texts as well. Let me change the text box name. This one for add, this one edit, this one for delete. Right, this is the thing you have to do. Right, this is how you can change the text as well. Right, like this. Arrange them. Right, now I need one JTable. One JTable I needed. So go to the palette, and get the JTable, right, like this. Now here what I'm going to do is here, I want to delete the, I need 4 columns here. Yes, 4 columns, so it automatically generated 4 columns as well. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to arrange them. So right click, table contents, columns. Here it is defaultly come as title 1, title 2, title 3, title 4. Here this one I'm going to double click this one. I'm going to change it as this one as ID. Here this data type also you must select as integer ID. Here this one as a name. Name means student name, so let me put as a name. This one for mobile number, so mobile. This one we first one should be capital. We will change. The final thing one will be course. Right. So you have to change the data type as well. Mobile for int, integer, course for string. That's the thing we have to do, right? If you want to add another column, you click insert and you can add it. Okay, here if you click insert, it added in the column. You can change it. We no need another column. This enough for this project, so we can delete it. Select this one and delete. Right, that's the only thing you have to do. And now close this. Right, here it automatically changed the row. Now what I'm going to do is this additional row we have to remove them. So go to the option and columns here, rows. Here we have to go to the row option. We have to delete. Select the row and delete that. Select the row and delete, and do so. Right, that's the thing you have to do. Right, now you can click close. Now you can see there will be no row. Right, now I am going to execute this project. Before execute that, select the frame, right click, properties, code, go to the code view. Here you have to select as generate center and close. Right, if you click start play, it asks the project name, frame, which frame you are going to run. This one, click OK. Now you will be able to see your form. Okay, this is the form. Okay, if you didn't give the option as generate center, it generated randomly. After designing the form, what you have to do is go to the project. This is the project name Linda. Here first right click on the project. Here properties, library. Here we have to add the jar file. Jar file means the you already download the mysql connector, you have to import here. So add jar, click on the add jar button. Here this is the file where you downloaded. Here mysql connector, this one mysql connector. Open this folder, open this folder, and this is the required two files, mysql connector, this one mysql bin. You select all together, select the hold down the control key and select these two required files and click open button and open this one and click OK. Right, now your jar file has been added into the library. Here you can see the library. You can see the library. If it is added or not, you can check. Go to the library and check. Okay, this is the required file. You must add these two files in order to connect mysql database to JDBC. Right, now after that, let me go to the coding view. First I am going to code how to add the records into the database. Right, so this is the button. Double click on this button. Here what I am going to do is, here first go to the design view. First I am going to name the text box first. So right click on the text box, change variable. Here I am going to name it as txt name. This one as txt name. Okay, this one right click, change variable, txt mobile, hit OK. After that, select this text box, right click, change variable, txt course. You have to give the proper name of these text boxes, hit OK. Right, after that, double click on this button. It goes to the coding view. Now this button, I am going to add the records into the database. So here what I am going to do is, here first I am going to set this text box into the variable first. So first what I am going to do is, here I am going to first define the variable string name equal txt name dot get text, txt name dot get text. Right, this is the one we have to first write. Okay, when the user enter the value of value here, it is stored the variable name. Right, the same thing I am going to do the remaining things also. I am going to Control C to copy and Control V to paste here. This one we are call it as a mobile, string mobile. I am not going to calculate anything here, so I simply write as a string. Okay, so here I am going to name it as txt mobile. Right, this is the text box name I gave. This is the text box name I gave here. You can check the text box name. If you forgotten, you just right click on the text box and change variable. You can check the name whether it is correct or not. Right, that's the thing you have to do. Here also the final thing is course. Course here I am going to give as txt course. Right, that's the thing you have to understand. Okay, if it is all the name are correct, you can see there will be the green, this one will be green. So these three things are correct. Okay, after that what I am going to do is, here I am going to create one connection con1. Right, this is a connection variable I am going to read. This is a prepare statement. Statement. Here I am going to insert. Right, you have to let me insert. Right, here what I am going to do is, here right click on this, there will be the error. So here you can see the notice that there will be the error. Here you just click on this and you can see the things. You have to import the first packet. Add import com mysql